Okay, legends. Oh, you're kidding me, aren't you? Bloody battery's going flat already. Alright, so if you were here last night, the old Boss kit is an Imperial one, an Imperial only. Okay, top dead center. There's oh, there you go. Oh, bloody light. Okay, what's up? Welcome to Changing the Wheel. Now, this Boss kit is an Imperial Boss kit, so I had to go out and buy a new Boss kit from Autobarn today, which is Imperial and metric. So there's a double pattern there. So I'm going to sit that on. This will be funny, I won't flip my car now. You're kidding, aren't you? Just like that, we're not changing the wheel again. Bloody hell. Oh, shit. What's up? Welcome to video number 2 on the XY, sponsored by Raceworks. Are we going to make it to Motorex? The heater's on, the engine bay's a mess. So today, we're going to get Gurney, clean this up. Here's a couple of before shots before we start doing all the change. I'll show you all the lovely parts that we're putting in today. So, 2 brand new 4-point harnesses. We've got all these crazy tools and new hose to run our new catch cams, all the lovely fittings, little what are they called, spark plug booties, and a new really bright red air cleaner from BMC. So we'll get started on that and we'll go from there. Next job on the list is our harnesses, and what a great time to bloody change them, because do not use, not valid after 2019, so been out of date for 4 years. Jeepers. Good scrutineering checks maybe. Oh well, brand new 4-point harnesses going in right now. Black bad boys. Screw. Here I'm undoing the old harness just to remember and remind myself how to undo them before we set the new ones in. On my new harnesses, on my shoulder straps, come with one of these clippy things to go on the eyelets, but as you saw, mine is locked around the harness bar, taxi bar, so I don't need that bit, so you take it off just like that. I'll adjust this to suit the same length as my other belt. rinse and repeat. And now I'm valid to 2028. So I'm cheating a little bit. I've just laid the old belt over, well, the new belt over the old belt, so I can work out what I'm going to do in here and tighten these nice brand new shackles up. Hopefully I can get back in the car. Okay. As I mentioned before, there's a certain way to tighten these on, so I've pulled the old one out the way, done the first loop over, up through the shackle, and you got to double lock it on itself to make it nice and secure and safe. Safe is the key.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'll just show you their end. I've just clipped this one on, but I'll show you how you actually do it. That's the top. So when you're sitting in the seat, you can pull that up, slide that down through there, move around, a little clamp, Jed clamp it. There you go. There is one new Raceworks harness installed. Time to do the second one. Easy, even you could do it, even if I can do it. Treat yourself. In the bin. Both in, looking amazing. Hey, I've got a model here, jump in, test them out, mate. Righto. Welcome on, Sean. And Jared said, when are we going to be finishing the HQ Turbo LS? And I said, get in line, son.
That's right.
Far out stuff. You'll never win the bloody...
Definitely not going to win.
The Bathurst belt comp.
I think you need to adjust it. It's a bit tight.
It's a 4 point. It's not a 5 point.
What are you Johnny?
So that's got to go up. Both. I should have told you.
You should have. You stitched me up.
No, I haven't. You should have just flipped them over the edge like that, bud. Like you have been in the car before.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
And the other side before you. Oh, no. Today.
Put them in.
Wrong one.
Wrong one.
No.
No, it's not.
Come on, mate.
Come on, mate. Don't do that to me.
Come on.
There we go.
Righto, lock them down.
Locked down.
Big. Oh, bloody beautiful.
Looking good.
Set to go.
Raceworks.
Raceworks. Done. Next job. We'll back it back and get it ready. Start taking stuff out of the engine bay. Thank you, model. You've done well.
Take up.
Now move the car. Okay, next job on the list. We've got our new booties for the spark plug leads. New spark plugs. Denso Iridium TTs for people playing at home. So coil pack's off, and I've got to remove that catch can, change that, move this for the other catch can to sit here, and change the piping to suit. So I'll crack into it now. Commencing the dismantling, I am removing the coil packs, the air filter, and the old catch can to start installing the new spark plugs, as pictured right now. And then we put on the coil packs and the new spark plug booties. Hey, we got our dirty plugs out, and how bad were they, Chris? Welcome, Chris from Bar of the World.
G'day. Yeah, no, they're pretty flogged.
Yeah, they're not good.
No.
What about the other one over here?
Where's the rest of it, mate?
I don't know if you can see that, but I'm hoping there's a bit of that on the ground. But Chris was like, that's really nice, mate. And this is what we're replacing them with. Focus dude. Iridium TTs. Let's whack them in, get it going. First catch cans mounted, looking pretty mint. That was easy. They went straight into the old mounts spot. So we'll I have to move this reservoir. I'll shorten that, put that over in the back, and do this bit here. Work that out, drill, nut cert, and get a couple of nice Allen key bolts to mount number 2. Like everything on this car, we're taking this millimetre perfect with mounting the next catch can in the engine bay.
Not bad.
Happy with the inspection?
I am actually.
Not a bad reamer.
Yeah, it's like you've done it before.
Love a good reaming.
Yeah, and then you'll pull it, and then you'll sort of feel a heap of tension.
Yep.
And it won't want to go anymore, and that's kind of it.
Alright.
It's just a pop rivet, you know what I mean?
How come I haven't built all my cars with this amazing?
It's the best tool ever!
Right, definitely needs 2 bolts to make that complete, but that'll do for now, kids. These are both mounted. Now we're going to move the blower cooler reservoir. So I need to drain some water out of it, son. Just trying to not make a big mess. There you go to the top. And this is how we make jelly, ladies and gentlemen. Let's work out where we can mount that at the back. Not much there, is there?
No, really.
Might have to modify that bracket. Alright, I'll put the camera down so we can have a bit of a discussion about it all. Next job, got to make a little spacer pipe for our air filter. Because I didn't actually have a bit of pipe, so started cutting with the hacksaw, got over that pretty quick. So now we're going to use the Recipro saw. Believe it or not, in my tools from Kmart, I've actually got some files. You take your pick. Oh, yeah, boy, like that. And I'll go get the new air filter. Come on. Might have to give her the old 30-minute trick, 30-second trick in the hot water. Oh, tune back in. There you go, I've put that on. I've only put one clamp on to make it look a little bit cleaner. There you go. The new BMC air filter. Bam. Alright, bringing everyone up to date. I'm not sure what part of what episode I'm at. I'm sort of chopping and changing between the engine bay, which is like got all the new catch cans, filter, spark plugs, leads, booties. Still mucking around with coil covers and stuff here. Not quite sure what I'm going to do there yet. Pardon me. So now I've moved on to the Harrop header tank. I've been mucking around there. I've been full on ghetto macking, bending this every which way. Nut-set that down there and bang a hole through the side of the wall here. Do a bulkhead fitting with an AN push fit. Bang, 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 and come back through here. So we will mount that on the wall with a couple of nutserts. Put a hole through the side of this amazingly painted engine bay there. A couple of 90s, maybe a bulkhead fitting here. Bang, which goes down to the cooler. That's where we're at. And the bay is looking pretty mint. Jamie couldn't get me a black filter, but she's brand new and gonna suck all the air. Pretty happy. Thank you very much.